Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best bathtub reglaze is probably one of the most affordable and effective ways to renovate your bathroom, giving your old, worn-out bathtub a brand new look without breaking the bank or enduring a lengthy, disruptive replacement process. This video will walk you through everything you need to know about choosing and using a bathtub reglazing kit, from prepping your tub to achieving a professional-looking finish, so you can enjoy a sparkling clean and renewed bathroom in no time. Number 5. Ekopel Pour-On Refinishing Kit. It provides a brilliant gloss finish that revitalizes your bathtub, giving it a new look. This ensures a durable, long-lasting surface for a pristine appearance. Enjoy a safe and easy refurbishment. It's odorless and non-toxic, perfect for indoor use without compromising safety. This offers unmatched durability, built to withstand daily use and maintain its shine for years. It's the most durable solution for a long-lasting finish. Rejuvenate your bath space effortlessly with its easy pour-on, single-coat application. No professional help needed. Made in the USA, it reflects superior quality and craftsmanship, ensuring reliable performance. It's a reliable addition to your home improvement supplies. What we like. If you value convenience and a quick transformation, this is perfect for you. It's incredibly easy to apply with its one-coat process, saving you time and effort. Plus, it's odorless, so you can enjoy a fresh-smelling bathroom throughout the process. If you're looking for a durable, long-lasting solution that requires minimal effort, this is the kit for you. What people say. Great finish and look. Relatively easy to do. The paint is beautiful white and hard as a rock. Number 4. NADAMOO Tub and Tile Kit. Transform your bathroom or kitchen with ease using our complete refinishing kit. It includes everything you need for a professional-looking finish. This kit contains a 35-ounce compound, hardener, gloves, brush, roller, and all the necessary masking materials. We've thought of everything to make your project stress-free. Simply mix the two parts, apply it to your surface with the brush or roller, and let it dry. It's that simple. It dries to a semi-gloss finish in 24 hours, reaching maximum hardness after 7 days. Enjoy a beautiful, long-lasting result. It works on porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, stone, and plastic. Perfect for tubs, tiles, sinks, and more, whether you're a renter or homeowner. This water-based formula has less odor and creates a durable, beautiful finish that will last. One kit covers approximately 50 square feet. Get started on your refinishing project today. With the NADAMOO Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit, you can achieve professional results at home. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to get started. It comes with all the necessary tools, making it a convenient and hassle-free option. The water-based formula is low odor, making it ideal for those sensitive to strong fumes. If you need a comprehensive kit with all the essentials and want to refinish a larger area, this is the one for you. What people say. This truly is the best tile paint you will find for your bath or shower. When I ordered and applied NADAMOO's tile paint, it was very easy to mix and apply, was odorless, and left a nice thick, clean finish. What a difference. Not only just in smell, this paint is barely noticeable in smell and less smelly than typical wall acrylic paint, but this paint is so much easier to apply than Rust-Oleum. Packaged supplied everything you need. This coverage took 3 light coats. I used the brush for grout likes the first coat then rolled. I am very happy with the results. It looks and feels like it will once fully cured. Number 3. Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Kit. Transform your old tub and tiles with this easy-to-use kit. It's a complete solution for a beautiful, renewed finish. This powerful formula is designed to withstand moisture and resist corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting result. It's tough and durable. For best results, mix parts A and B separately, then combine and mix for 2 minutes. Use it within 6 hours of mixing. Each kit covers up to 110 square feet. 2 coats are recommended for optimal coverage and protection. Allow 1 to 2 hours between coats, and let it dry completely for 3 days before using water. Patience is key for a perfect finish. Always ensure adequate ventilation while using this product. Open windows and use a fan to circulate the air. Before you begin, properly prepare the surface and carefully read all instructions included in the kit. This will ensure a smooth and successful project. What we like. If you have a large area to cover, this kit is your best bet. Its large coverage area makes it efficient for bigger projects. The two-part epoxy formula ensures a tough, durable finish that resists moisture and corrosion. If you're looking for a fast-drying, high-coverage solution, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Painting was easy. 2 coats, 1 kit, covered my entire area perfectly. IWS painting white over white, so extra paint may needed for jobs where you're covering a darker color with white. It is just like regular paint, you mix the 2 ingredients, you roll it and brush it. The directions tell you exactly how to prep, so it's extremely easy to do. It did not take me any time at all. The paint gets tacky really fast. Both coats went on smoothly with a sleek finish. Self-leveling, so no streaks or drips or runs, very smooth finish. Number 2. DWIL Tub Refinishing Kit. Transform your bathroom with ease using our complete kit. It includes everything you need for a professional-looking finish. This kit provides all the necessary tools, making the process simple, even for beginners. No prior experience is required. It works on bathtubs, sinks, countertops, floors, and walls. Just remember that darker surfaces may require 2 kits for full coverage. It's not suitable for use on the underside of metal, artificial marble, or peeling surfaces. Please check your surfaces before starting. You'll need to work quickly, finish within 1.5 hours of mixing. It cures in 24 hours, but allows 7 days for complete drying before use. It's made with a specially formulated acrylic resin for superior adhesion and durability. Plus, it's water-based for low odor and VOCs. What we like. This kit offers a water-based, low-odor formula, making it a safer and more pleasant option for DIY projects. It also comes with all the necessary tools for a smooth and easy application process. If you prefer a low-odor, user-friendly option with all the tools included, this is the kit for you. What people say. Packaging came with a roller, brush, plastic gloves, which were very helpful, tape with plastic attached, very useful, paint, and 2 hardening solution packs. Application went on easily. My first coat was a thin layer. I used the brush on the grout lines and then applied the roller. The difference was very visible. Coating. For my shower tub project, 1 container made 2 full coatings. I actually liked the 2 coatings and Hubs thought it was good enough. But I did see a bit of unevenness in my application in places. I used the second container to liberally apply a thicker 3rd coat. That was exactly what it needed. Number 1. Ekopel Roll-On Refinishing Kit. Say goodbye to old, worn-out tubs. This kit makes refinishing your tub incredibly easy. Get a beautiful, like new finish in just a few hours. It's as simple as rolling on paint. No special tools or skills are needed. The user-friendly design makes it perfect for DIY projects. Our free videos walk you through every step of the process. From prep to finish, we'll guide you to a professional-looking result. It only takes 24 hours to fully cure. You'll be enjoying your newly refinished tub in no time. Just maintain a comfortable room temperature for best results. It's suitable for porcelain, fiberglass, acrylic, and cast iron. Refinish your tub, shower, or even sink with ease. Save money by doing it yourself. It's perfect for renters, homeowners, and even commercial spaces. Get a stunning upgrade without the high cost of professional refinishing. It's 20 times thicker than other refinishing kits, ensuring a long-lasting, peel-proof finish. Enjoy your beautiful, renewed bathroom for years to come. What we like. If you prefer a user-friendly roll-on application, this kit is a great choice. It's designed for ease of use, making the refinishing process simple and straightforward. It's also known for its exceptional durability and a quick 24-hour cure time. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-apply solution with a fast cure time, this is the kit for you. What people say. The more you prep and scrub the surface, the better the results. This seemed the most durable while still being user-friendly. The finish is hard. I let the finish cure for 4 days, and you will need to remove masking tape as soon after the second coat as possible. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.